welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make a baked potato salad, and this sounds really good. I love baked potatoes, sour cream, cheese, and all that, so this sounds like it should be a pretty good recipe. So we can jump in here and get started right away. First thing we're going to do is bake our potatoes. I've picked out 6. I don't know if I'll need 6, 5 or 6, just medium, maybe medium small potatoes. The trick here is to get them all as close as you can to the same size so that they cook at the same time. I put a couple little fork prongs in each potato. I've heard places where you should do that, and I've also heard at places that said it doesn't make any difference. So what I'm going to do here now is I got a little bowl of olive oil, and I'm just going to rub olive oil on each of these potatoes. All right, we've got the potatoes all oiled. I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. What I'm going to do is put this in there and bake it probably for about 40 minutes, and then we'll test it to make sure they're done in the middle. You don't want to overcook these because you still want to be able to get the cubes of potato. So it's probably the most difficult part of this recipe is making sure you get the potato just at the right consistency. All right, the potatoes baked for 40 minutes. I've tested them with a fork, and I think it's going to be just the perfect amount of time. So one thing I'm going to do now is let these things cool off good, and then I will peel the potatoes and we'll start making our baked potato salad. All right, the potatoes have cooled off, so we're just going to peel these potatoes. And since these are baked potato, a baked potato salad, you can leave, you don't have to peel off all the skin. If there's a little bit on there, that's fine. All right, I'm going to finish peeling the rest of these potatoes. All right, so let's cut these potatoes up into bite-sized pieces. All right, you can see I've got my potatoes all chopped up, got them in a big mixing bowl. Now we'll add our baked potato toppings. I've got sour cream. I'm gonna put in about a cup, I think. We'll start with that and see how that goes. I've got about 2.5 ounces of cooked chopped bacon. I have some Colby cheese that I just cut up into little cubes. You could use grated cheddar or whatever you want. I just thought these cubes would be nice. So we'll put, this is about 4 ounces. And then I have 4 chopped green onions. And we'll stir these up and see what it tastes like. Oh, we definitely need to add salt. Since I didn't put any salt while baking potatoes, I'm gonna add quite a bit here. And we'll stir these up. What I haven't decided yet, after I taste this, I don't know if I wanna put in a little bit, maybe a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I don't know yet. So let me taste this first. All right, that looks pretty good. What I'll do is let this cool off in the refrigerator a little bit, and I'll put it in a serving bowl and maybe add some grated cheddar cheese on top, some more green onion, and maybe a little sprinkle of a little bit more bacon just to make it look nice on top for serving. All right, let's go ahead and add a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of mayonnaise just to give it a little bit sweet taste. All right, so here we are in a serving bowl. I'm gonna sprinkle with a few more green onions on top. Yeah, that looks pretty. Should have done the onions last. A little bit more of the bacon. And a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese. Looks beautiful. All right, so let's dish up a little bit of this baked potato salad. And actually, I just thought of something that, let me taste this first. Yeah, I like it. Those big chunks of cheese, cubes of cheeses, I like those. So it's a different take on potato salad. But what I thought of, what I want to try here, and I'll be back in a couple of YouTube seconds. So what I thought of is, even though this is a baked potato salad, I thought it might taste really good, maybe even better, warmed up, heated. So you can make it just the same as usual, except at the last step, put it in the oven and bake it for like 40 minutes at 350 degrees. So let's just take a taste of this. I think this is gonna really be good. Actually, I like it better this way. So it's more of a baked potato casserole, I guess you might say. So everything's same ingredients, just you know, heat it up. Yeah, I really like this. Cheese melted in there really nice. So there you have it. You can either have a baked potato salad or baked potato casserole, 2 dishes in one. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. And thank you very much.